Don here. It's going to be a really short day today, folks. We got a 2-car driveway to do with the sidewalks, and that's going to be it. And I'm really enjoying this. I have a full week's work next week. I have jobs every day. Tomorrow I have another driveway. Woo! Really breaking the bank over here, folks. Then on Friday we got a nice pool cage and a driveway to do. Next week we have jobs every day. All right, so that's going to free me up to get some stuff done around here before I go on the motorcycle trip, and when things start cranking back up again, when all the snowbirds come back to Florida. And I went ahead and took more ad space out in the second magazine for the following couple months. We'll get things jacked back up again, you know what I mean? Pressure washing, sure, you can retain customers, but they don't always need your service, so you gotta wait for them to come around. A lot of these calls I'm getting, they're from regular customers, so I'm thankful for that. All right, but today we're gonna be doing this, and I gotta get some paint mixed, and we're gonna be doing some work on the house over there on the front porch. I got it all sealed up, wood puttied all the holes, and stabilized the banister and got everything ready there, so that's gonna look good. And we'll do a little bit of that today. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast. Let's get off to the job. All right, let's get after it. All right, here we are at the job. It's got some black algae on the concrete. They'll be doing all the way down to the lamppost there, all the way to the front door, and all the way to where that hose is. And
yeah, it needs to be done.
Let's get after it. Let's have a look. It's gonna come out awesome. We got to clean that side thing over there as well. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do that first. Well, actually, let's just get after the so ever satisfying room. Let's get after it. Okay, now that's the correct way to do the driveway. You come in, you pre-treat it, you mini mondo it, or whatever surface cleaner you have, rinse it off really good, and then post-treat it. And always clean the side door thing over there. That's part of the driveway, okay? Garage, you know, driveway kind of goes together. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast. This came out perfect. And we just made ourselves a new customer. He was very happy that I even showed up. That was the first thing out of his mouth. So that's the kind of workmanship you have down here in Florida. People don't even show up to do the work sometimes. It's crazy. I hear it way too often. All right, the gutter in the road looks good. The gear's all rinsed out. I got my injector tube stuck in the tank. We'll have to fish that out of there when we get back to the office. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast. Subscribe to the channel and make sure you have a great day. And always, get after it. All right, here, Don here. I'm standing out here in front of, you know the place, right? You got to get after it at Ameritech. I got Wesley Ford here. He's a subscriber to the YouTube channel. He asked me where I got the rig, and here he is. Tell us what you think about Ameritech.
Dude, if you guys ever get an opportunity, you want to build something right, you come to Ameritech. These guys take all the time that's necessary to do it right, and we're worth the money, every bit of it. I'm so ecstatic. Wait till you guys see my unit.
Yep, and we're going to have a good look at it here in a little bit. They're finishing up some stuff in there. Then we'll go ahead and go over it. And this is what inspired Wesley to go ahead and get a new rig.
That's right.
His makes this thing look silly. Wait until you see this thing, and we'll be getting after it here shortly. I'm Don, and that's Wesley.
Get after it.
All right, let's have a close-up. Okay, we got a reclaimed water system back here. This is the Zeta 40P chem spray, all electric reels. These are 10-gallon a minute machines.
Yeah.
31-inch mini Mondu in its carrier. Chem tank, 49-inch Mondu. 2 more chem tanks in the back. This thing is ready to rock. Your go-to place, Ameritech. Right, down here from Super Blast. I'm standing here with Gary. Gary, show us some features about the rig we got here for Wesley Ford out in California today.
Got a lot going on here. We got on the front, we have a 5,000 watt inverter that's housed inside this closure. Keeps it nice and dry. They can be opened up and ran when you're running the 110 volts for the pump out and the reclaim. We have our selector here for our downstreamers that go from water to SH to be able to clean it out on the fly.
Nice.
It's all plumbed into the tank. Our remote start for both machines on one side, so we're working from the passenger side out, not that it'll reach over, crank them up.
Nice feature.
Our machines are also the capability to run through flow sensitive motors, or then turn the valves and switch it to pressure sensitive, so we can tie them together and run at 21 gallons a minute and run the big cleaner. We also have this hidden wash down station here, so when the customer wants to plug in and have it for washing down gear, boots, all buckets for sealer, that kind of stuff, he's got water poured there.
Awesome.
Filters, lines all run through the deck, but both filters are here close together, so it's easy to clean and maintain.
Easy access, makes it easy.
We have lights. We have our passenger and driver side floodlights up top,
Nice.
as well as center lights that glow the whole center of the trailer. For nighttime work, you'll see the inside. We have a proportioning system here, along with a secondary neutralizing closed loop system, so we can run neutralizer straight through, along with our surfactant, SH, everything there. That's all through the Zeta. We also have our drain off for bucket fill, any kind of pump spares, that kind of stuff. And then lastly, we got a nice wand holder that's kind of hidden and integrated in the pole here, tucked away, kind of like your quiver for all your arrows type deal.
Very nice. And there you have it, folks. If you want a custom rig made for you and your crew, Ameritech Pressure Washing in Tampa, Florida is your go-to place. Get after it. Okay, who won at the gym?
It don't matter if you win by an inch or a mile.
He got me by like 2 seconds today.
2 seconds.
The old man
Gotta get the time in.
beat the young guy.
The old man, how old are you?
Whoa, Don, you don't
Never
ask a woman that.
his age.
Don't ask a woman his age. Oh, it's Bernadette.
Can't we put a 4.3 on 5 and just run it like 5? Yeah, that's okay.
So for the train on.
And then the other one is a 5 at 2,500. That's the one that you need to take to your casa. That's like my cat. Yes.
Yeah. Actually, I want like an 8 gallon minute one out, so
Well, you might want to get some more more power, dog.
Get a substation put in.
Yeah.
So that, Don, it wasn't your valves bad, it was just a piece broke in between.
What's that?
The pieces broke in between.
It did.
Connector, it wasn't your valves were bad.
Well, good.
So technically we should use these valves probably. Or we could.
No.
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 We should keep them in for backup.
Time
They're
and
not
money.
bad.
No. Throw them away, Don. Throw them away. You want to pay this guy $100-some an hour to change a broken valve that you should have done brand new from the start?
New valves are on top of the tank. That way down the road you're gonna save them. Doesn't make sense.
It's called stepping on $1 to pick up a dime, Don.
The dollar's up there on top of the tank now. You gotta change this up.
Stepping on $1 to pick up a dime.
No.
Put new shit on that bitch. Oh, I can't say that. I'll get in trouble on YouTube.
Got to put some new stuff on there. He didn't mean to say that. We're not editing anything out here. He apologized. Go ahead.
Sorry.
I'm not sorry.
Sorry, everybody. I'm not sorry. It's like Pee Wee Herman. Hamburger.
Jerry, how are you today?
Sorry, not sorry.
That's good. Anyway, that's the progress so far. Here's our system. It's gonna be awesome. Well, guys, thank you for everything. And what do we do?
You get after it.
We get after it. Do you get after it?
Always.
What do you do?
Get after it. At home, I
Everybody gets after it. Hey, when he gets home, he gets after it. Hey, look at this dude up here. I bet you he even gets after it.
This is Mr. American.
Get after it!